Welcome back, Socialites. If you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you're into, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a Socialite. Today's day 7 in Vlogmas, meaning I'm uploading a video every single day in the month of December. So let's unlock day 7 in our Sephora advent calendar. Day 7 is here. Okay, so we got the Protini Polyamide cream from Drunk Elephant. So I think it's a moisturizer. So we got a Drunk Elephant moisturizer. There's no scent really to it. So let me know if you guys have tried the Drunk Elephant moisturizer, but I'll test it out and let you guys know how I feel about it. Today we're gonna be running errands, probably get something to eat. I also wanted to stop at Sephora to smell the new Kayali fragrance, the new Eden Juicy Lychee. I ordered it when it came out, the travel size. Had no idea it was in store, y'all. So I could have been did the review 7 days ago. Had no idea, but I just at least want to smell it because my order won't be here for like another week. Nobody told me it was in store. I probably should have checked. So I'm gonna go in there, smell it just so that I can know, I just want to know, being nosy. We're gonna do a quick outfit of the day and head on out. Okay, y'all, so here's the outfit. We're gonna act like I didn't get makeup on my collar. So I just have on a Ralph Lauren cable knit sweater. I think I got this at like Marshall's a couple years ago. Some Wolford leggings. These are like the thickest, best quality leggings ever. And then I have on my Gucci interlocking boots. I don't know if Gucci still has these in this color because I got these when they first came out, but I think they still have the black ones that you can get on the Gucci website. But these are the interlocking G boots. And then my Fendi mini Tresor handbag. Lip, y'all. This is the lip I've been wearing for days. Almost every time I go somewhere, I find myself putting this on, which is the Sephora collection liquid lipsticks. I put 94 on the outside and then number 1 in the middle. Earrings, I think Fashion Nova. Let's get out of here. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go eat after we leave Starbucks because we're starving, and I promised AJ that we could go get pizza. So we're gonna get a drink because we might shop a little bit before we go get the pizza. I'm so excited to smell this perfume, y'all, and I'm mad that I didn't just go into store and buy it. I don't know what I was thinking. I just pulled the trigger so quick on ordering it. And I think the last 1 to 2 fragrances that Kayali launched, it wasn't in store right away. I think that's what it was. The last couple fragrances that they launched wasn't in stores. And so I just automatically assumed that you had to order it and didn't even check to see if it was in store. But I'm excited to smell it. I haven't heard anything bad about it. So comment down below if you've tried it already.
And then the shaken espresso. We got the toasted vanilla ocean espresso.
Yes, could I get that instead?
Get that one instead? Okay,
yeah.
Get the first one.
Okay, and then what's that drink that you get? The crunch? Can I get the caramel crunch drink?
Caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino?
Yeah, with no coffee.
With no coffee, yeah.
Okay, no coffee, okay.
So for foundation today, I put on the Makeup Forever foundation powder. And to me, I feel like it looks so heavy. Like I feel like maybe I put too much on, but it looks like I have on full beat. And I was just going for like an everyday look that like almost a no makeup look. And this is opposite of that, but we secured the drinks. We're gonna go eat probably pizza. There's a pizza place over by the Sephora that we're going to, and AJ's hungry. I told her that we go get something to eat, so we're gonna do that. I wanted to pick up a couple more things for y'all's basket, so I'm doing a giveaway again. Last Vlogmas, I did a giveaway for 2 Socialites, did baskets. They were really cute with some goodies in there, some good stuff. So I really got y'all some good stuff this year. So 2 Socialites will be able to win the basket with some nice goodies. Some of my favorite things are going to be in the basket this year. I hadn't figured out how we're going to do the giveaway. We may do it the same way we did it last year, which was you have to comment on every single video in Vlogmas. So all 25 videos You have to leave a comment. Doesn't matter what the comment is, just any comment, and then I pick from those people like randomly. So I might do that, but I'll keep y'all posted. I'm gonna think about it tonight, and then on tomorrow's video I'll let you guys know how we're gonna do the giveaway. It's one thing I wanted to put in there: the cinnamon the pumpkin spice Oreos that I love. I put them in the basket last year, but for some reason this year, after like November, you can't get them anymore at no store. I couldn't find them online or anything, y'all. So we may not be able to do the cookies, but we got some good beauty stuff. So I wanted to kind of do a little shopping to see what else we could add to y'all's basket today. So we'll see. If not today, then we'll probably try to get to it tomorrow. But I'm getting on the freeway, so I'll see y'all inside of Sephora. Okay, y'all, so I tried it out. The new Eden fragrance, it smells like either Skittles or Starbursts or something like that, like a Skittles Starburst type situation. AJ says it smells like, what do you say it smells like?
Is that like powder candy that you dip like the little ingredient?
Like the little dipping powder candy where you dip the stick in the powder. But what I did smell that was a standout was they have a fragrance called Chloe Nomad. It smells amazing. Chloe Nomad. I'm gonna have to put that on my list, y'all. It smells really good. Okay, y'all, back in the car. So the pizza was cool. I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. It was just like basic, decent pizza. So this fragrance is so sweet. I keep getting whiffs of it in the car. It smells like a sweet candy, and like it could almost have cotton candy in it or something like that. It smells good. I like it. But the Chloe Nomad is on my mind. So maybe when they do the fragrance event at Sephora, I think it's in like a couple weeks or something, or maybe like next week, I might get it. I don't know, but it smells divine. Sit down, you sit down, you sit down, Okay, y'all, not me tired. So we just left out of Walmart. I was honestly looking for like the basket covers to make the baskets, like the, like the clear wrap that you put over the baskets to tie the baskets, and forgot all about it, and I'm not going back in there. But I finally smelled Dossier for the first time. It is everything. AJ, that one Dossier fragrance, what did you say it smelled like?
Eau de Janeiro number 68.
Which I got for her during the Sephora sale. So it's supposed to be a Baccarat Rouge dupe. It's given very much that. When you smell it, that's all you get is Baccarat Rouge. The intensity is the same in everything. It smells really good. And I sprayed another one, lavender something. I sprayed sprayed it all over me, y'all. It smells like Libre. YSL Libre, like you cannot tell the difference. It smells so good. And I think it's like $30 or $40. We're gonna go ahead and close it out here. I'm gonna probably do a haul maybe tomorrow, the next day. So if you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Thank all of y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.
Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the